How can your videos stand out from the crowd? You spend countless hours laboring over captions to push your video into the spotlight. Introducing Captioneer for Premiere, cutting-edge captions for editors. It seamlessly integrates with your editing workspace. Create a transcript, pick a preset, and let Captioneer do the rest. Switch designs in seconds. Cut, retime, and tweak a section. Copy and paste styles with the click of a button, and translate your captions to reach a global audience. Faster than you can brew a cup of coffee. This is how editing should be. Want more designs? Captioneer works with any Mogurt you can find online. Say goodbye to tweaking keyframes and say hello to Captioneer. Cutting-edge captions engineered for editors. Captioneer for Premiere. Craft captions like a pro. Try it free today.